Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Mitra. So today we will learn about the conjoint analysis. तो conjoint analysis होता क्या है and how we can use that conjoint analysis in the SPSS. So how we can just analyze that data by using the SPSS. So before proceeding to the conjoint analysis, I will just tell you what is the conjoint analysis and how it is useful for the marketing and for the company and for the customers. For example, a company want to launch a new product specifically in the smartphone industry or the automobile industry. So you can see the always the company will not prefer a particular one segment or one brand or one particular product in a particular segment, or a product have the different variants. So conjoint analysis always prefer ki what type the preferences the customer wants in a particular product. So in the automobile industry, you can see that always they will just manufacture the car. The car will be in the different variants according to different features. So the customer can be select the car as per according to their preferences by collecting and by including the different and co-jointing the different attributes. So once we are mixing the different attributes to make a consumer preference to buy, that is the conjoint analysis. So in same time, in the same sense, if you will talk about the smartphone industry, so you always see that when any company who want to launch the mobile phone, they will not just launch in a particular one variant. They'll just launch the different variants. One variant 8 GB RAM and the one 250 GB of the ROM, and one another is the 12 GB of RAM and the 12 in the GB ROM. So that is the different variants, so that the customers can be just make the attributes and just select the attributes as per according to their requirements. So some mobile have the better battery life. So some customers they prefer the better display quality. Some customer will prefer the better camera quality. So when the customer will select the all the product on the basis of the different preferences, so they will just collect the all the attributes and they will decide to make a product to purchase a single product different between the among the different alternatives. सो किसी को प्रेफरेंस अच्छा लगता है कैमरा क्वालिटी, दे विल नॉट गो फॉर द बैटरी लाइफ, से उनको कैमरा इंपॉर्टेंस है. किसी को एक अच्छा स्टोरेज चाहिए, उसके साथ कैमरा क्वालिटी भी चाहिए और बैटरी भी अच्छी चाहिए. तो वो तीनों चीज़ों में मिला के देखेगा कि कौन सा हमारा बेटर जो डिसीजन बन रहा है, कौन सी प्रेफरेंस बन रही है. तो ये कंजॉइंट एनालिसिस होती है कि डिफरेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स को मिला के एक प्रेफरेंसेस हमें क्रिएट करनी है. तो इसीलिए हर एक कंपनी है डिफरेंट वेरिएंट लॉन्च करती है, सो दैट कस्टमर अपने एट्रीब्यूट्स के अकॉर्डिंग, अपने फीचर्स के अकॉर्डिंग एक प्रोडक्ट परचेज कर सके. इसी तरह जो मार्केटर्स होते हैं, कंपनीज हैं, दे विल डू द surveys and they will collect the data from the market कि what type the preferences the customer wants, so that they can just modify the product, they can launch the different variants as per according to the their budgets and their requirements. ठीक है, किसी को बजट कम होता है तो वो एक स्मॉल सेगमेंट में या एक ऐसा वेरिएंट खरीद सकता है जो बेसिक है या बेस मॉडल है. किसी का बजट हाई है तो वो थोड़ा सा अपग्रेड वर्जन पे जा सकता है. तो इसलिए ये एक प्रेफरेंसेस को कन्वीनियंट बनाता है किसी कस्टमर्स को. तो यही है कंजॉइंट एनालिसिस. तो अब इस कंजॉइंट एनालिसिस को आपको डिफरेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, तो उसको कैसे आप सोल्व करोगे. देखो इसके अंदर आपको दो टेबल बनानी पड़ेगी. एक टेबल तो वो बनानी पड़ेगी जिसमें आप एक प्रोडक्ट की प्रेफरेंसेस शो करोगे. ठीक है, जो ना कस्टमर की प्रेफरेंसेस से रिलेटेड आप डाटा कलेक्ट कर लिया. ठीक है, दूसरी टेबल बनेगी आपको डिफरेंट जो वेरिएंट्स कौन कौन से हैं, तो वेरिएंट्स की टेबल एक अलग बनेगी. और कस्टमर प्रेफरेंस से आप जो डाटा जो कलेक्ट किया अपने कस्टमर से प्रेफरेंस रिलेटेड है, मान लो उस एक प्रोडक्ट की 20 एट्रीब्यूट है, 20 फीचर्स है, तो 20 फीचर से रिलेटेड आपने वहां की रेटिंग रैंकिंग करवा ली, तो एक सीट आपकी अलग बन जाएगी. दूसरी सीट आपकी बनेगी प्रोडक्ट की वेरिएंट्स, कितने वेरिएंट्स एक प्रोडक्ट में, बैटरी लाइफ की कितनी कितनी है, उनका स्टोरेज कितना कितना है, एंड उसकी डिस्प्ले क्वालिटी, डिस्प्ले साइज, तो वो सब उसके अंदर आप दिखाओगे. तो दो तरह के टेबल से हम इसको कंजॉइंट एनालिसिस को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो इसमें सेंटेक्स हम लगाएंगे, सेंटेक्स कोडिंग से इसको हम करेंगे. तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं, मैं बताता हूँ कैसे इसको आप कर सकते हो. तो चलिए हम स्क्रीन की तरफ चलते हैं. तो आइए चलते हैं, हम करते हैं जो एनालाइज कंजॉइंट एनालिसिस. तो इसमें देखो आपको सैंपल फाइल ही मिल जाएंगी, उस सैंपल फाइल से आप इसको प्रोसेस कर सकते हो. तो उसमें आपको करना क्या है, सबसे पहले आपको जाना है किसमें, एनालाइज में जाना है, नहीं सॉरी एनालाइज में नहीं जाना, आपको पहले फाइल पे जाना है. फाइल पे जाने के बाद आपको इस पे जाना है, ओपन पे. ओपन पे जाके आपको जाना है कि सिंटैक्स पे. सिंटैक्स पे जाओगे तो वहां पे आपको जहां भी आपकी जो फाइल रखी है वहां पे जाना, आपको सी में जाना है। प्रोग्रामिंग में बता देता हूँ कैसे। प्रोग्राम फाइल्स में जाओगे आप, वहां पे आपको मिलेगा ऑप्शन IBM, then SPSS statistics, then whatever the version you have for the SPSS, that will be say 24 or 20. So I have the 25th version. Then you click here, then you will see here uh, the samples. Just click on the samples. Then we need the English language, then conjoint SPS. So when you just select it and open it, so a syntax, the screen will be open for the conjoint analysis. So here we will just specify the file path for the conjoint plan. So we have the different plans or the variants. मैंने बताया था ना, एक मोबाइल के different variants है या गाड़ी के different basic model है, top model है, इस तरह से एक अलग से फाइल बनाइए। और जो प्रेफरेंस वाली फाइल है, आपकी जितने भी प्रेफरेंस है 22 है या 23 है प्रेफरेंस, यहाँ पे आप कॉपी कर सकते हो, पेस्ट कर सकते हो। प्रेफरेंस आपके हैं 1 से 22 है या जितने भी हैं आप नोट कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद आपको करना क्या है, सेकंड जो है आपको सैंपल फाइल लेनी है। इसको बंद करता हूँ और मैं सीधा माई पीसी में गया, सी में गया, यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम फाइल्स IBM SPSS statistics 25 and then samples, then English, then carpet plan and preferences. So just right click on that and copy as path. You have to copy the path, then go to on the conjoint SPSS, then paste here, paste the path. But please ensure that that will be a single inverted comma, no double. I just delete that. I also delete that. There will be a single inverted comma. Now you have to copy the second path, that is the data file, where you have to collect the preferences. So you just go here, click on the carpet preferences, right click and the copy, then paste here. Right, copy as path, then paste. Double, there should not be double inverted comma, so I just delete the extra double inverted comma. So these two files have been pasted. So you can also see that how the plan or file will be look like that. So you can also just make it open. So the plan file will be like that. So in that you can see there is 3 plan, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. There is 3 plans of that. Carpet plan is 3, and the brand is also given there as the same like that, and price, then seal or not seal, money is the money, and the status and the card. So these are also given like that. So you, for example, you can also take the example of mobile phones, the different model, their price, their display qualities, and their storage and their camera qualities like that. So you can just also give the rating of that. So your just plan file will look like that. And the second file, if you will see like that, preferences, carpet preferences. So the consumer, the respondent will feel like that. So for example, first attribute, second preferences, third preferences, fourth. So here is the total of the 22 preferences is given. So here is the only 10 respondents are there. So there may be the 300 respondents or the 400 respondents like that. So you have to be just go there in this file. So we have already copied the both the path of the both the files path. So now you have to basically click on this, that is the run. So you will click on this button run, then you can see the conjoint analysis output is there. So you can see there were the three plans. There were three packages A, B, C. The brand is also there. The utility estimates. So brand package A have the minus 2.233. It means this have the negative utility. So don't have much the customer node preferences. So according to package, the customer will give the preference to the package B. Okay. According to the brand, the maximum value is the 0.367. So K2R. So that K2R brand will the having the highest preferences. According to price, 1.19 have the highest preferences. According to seal, the people will preference the yes, they want to seal pack. The money, so money, yes, they have the worth of value of the money, yes, too. So these are the utilities. So the values which are high in that, so they will make the combination of that. For example, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attributes. So I will just conjoin and combine all the 5 attributes and select the one. Or in the package, I will select the package B for the package B of the brand K2R and price having the $1.1 and have the seals and having the worth of rupees money. So that the utility will select. Then importance is given on the package, brand, price, sales. So that is the overall values of that, and then you can see the average importance score for each and every. So package has the highest average score. It is a coefficient. So coefficient means the price is the negative. Okay, when you go up that negative impact, and the seal has the 2 and the money is the 1. So these are the some coefficient which may be changes due to the change in the price and the values or the brand. With a correlation between all the attributes, how the one attribute is different from the other attributes. So it shows the correlation between the different preferences. There is a significance of there is significance difference between all the attributes. Because one attribute is different and giving the different utility from the other attributes. These are the preference scores. Okay, card number 1, 2. There was also the card number on that sheet. So that is ID of the 1 or 2. And preferences probability. That is the preference probability score. So card 1, 2. So you can see in the preference sheet and in the plan there was also the card number value is there. So this is the according to factors, number of reversals and number of the subjects. So that is the reversals 3 to 5, 7, 4, 7, 8. So this is the number of reversals. When you reversal, the how about the rotating matrix as a reversal numbers. So that is more not much important. So important tables are the preference probabilities, the correlations, the coefficient, importance, and this. These two tables are the more important. And you can also take this table correlation and the preference probability simulations. So this is the conjoint analysis. I hope you understand, and this is very really helpful if you are doing the study or you are in a marketing analysis. You can also do that as a marketer, as a researcher. You can do as a consumer. You can just find a better combination of the product, and you can prefer and choose and select the better combination of the product. So thank you so much. So please subscribe my YouTube channel if not subscribed. It will help me to just promote and motivate, and I have to reach to the maximum audience with the help of your sharings, comments, and likes. We do that.